Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from ArrestFlix, and the title of the video is "Couple Gets Busted Stealing Amazon Packages." Wow. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talk about.
One morning at around 4:31 a.m., officers responded to a burglar alarm at an apartment complex.
Hey, what's going on?
Hi.
How y'all doing?
Good.
Y'all live here or what's going on?
Yeah, we live right here.
Huh?
We live right here.
Right here? What's up with all these packages?
Now we're grabbing our packages for the house.
Huh?
We just made it back in town.
The alarm went off.
I got my key.
What's all this that's scattered right here, all this?
About who?
All this stuff that's scattered like this?
This is how they do it, I guess. I don't know.
How do they associate who goes with who? Huh? No, what apartment do y'all live in?
It's literally right across.
What's the name? Like the... Can you show me the packages?
Yeah.
Can you open them? I'm gonna verify this information. Let me see the... Which one do y'all live in?
Literally right across.
Hold on. What's your name? Huh? What's your name, ma'am? Hello. Ma'am.
Yeah.
What's your name? What's your name? Huh? Are y'all trying to steal these packages?
No.
Okay, then what's your name?
Libby.
Huh? What's your name? Look at me. Take off that. Central from 8.
Hi.
Why y'all trying to steal this stuff?
No.
Can I get another unit here? I got a couple.
She trying to read the name on the pack on one of the packages. You could clearly tell that she not slick. She is not slick. And bruh cold, man. He putting everything on her. I ain't gonna lie. He like, I don't know what you talking about. You got ask her. This is her packages.
Subjects here I'm trying to identify. So, what's your name?
My name's Sarah.
Sarah?
Tara.
Tara what?
Johnson.
Can I get another unit here? I got a couple subjects here. I'm trying to verify what's going on here. Where's your ID at?
I don't have any, sir.
How'd you guys get in here?
I just told you I got my key.
So you got a key?
Yeah.
So then, why are all these packages in the garbage bag?
Raining?
Huh?
It's raining?
Because it's raining? There's all these random apartments on here. Where's your ID at?
I don't have my ID, sir.
Huh?
No.
It's in the house? And where's that at? Huh?
I don't have it on me, sir.
You said it's in your house.
I'm saying I don't have it on me, sir.
Where is your house?
I'm saying I don't have it on me, sir. That's what I'm saying.
You're not making any sense.
I'm saying that I don't have it on me.
Do you have an ID on you, sir? What are you stuffing in your back pocket?
No, nothing.
Do we have a female subject around here that you can send my way for a search?
Can I just grab my bike and come over this side?
What's up?
Can I just grab my bike? I was going to take it right here by a car.
No, you're not going anywhere right now.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
What's your first name?
Andrew.
Andrew?
Yeah. A-N-D-R-E-W.
A-N-D-R-E-W. I'm going to be on the west side of the building. On the west side of the building. What's your address?
I don't even live out here.
Huh?
I don't live out here.
You don't live out
With
here?
her. No.
Y'all said you stay right here.
Because I'm staying with her.
So, do you have a driver's license? Do you have an ID? You have an ID?
My car though.
Okay. And where's the car at?
They're right here popped up.
Alright. What kind of car you got?
A white Toyota.
So y'all drove in a white Toyota?
Please.
Okay.
Ashley?
As officer waited for backup, the male suspect suddenly ran toward another door and tried to escape through the hallway.
Get over here! Get over here! Get over here! Get over here! Hey! Hey, get over here! Get over here! Hey! Hey, get your hands back! 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 Get up! Yeah, I got a female running. This guy's trying to get out of here. Get up! Get down! You understand me? Get back! Give me your hands! Give me your hands! Pull your hands back now! You understand that? No, you're not. No. 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 I got fighting with me. Bring me some more units over here. Female black. She left out the door. I'm still in the building right now with this guy. I'm trying to detain him.
Where are you running?
I'm not going there.
Where are you going?
Stop,
What
stop.
are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. Jesus.
Essentially, if they want females to run off from you,
What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you just give me a second? I'm not resisting or anything. Can I stand up? I didn't do anything, sir. Damn. What?
Sit down. Sit down.
How am I supposed to
Sit down. Sit down right now. Literally right in there.
just hold it down right now.
Don't move. Come here. Come here. Get up.
Ouch.
I got it.
I was about to say that's a good decision. Like, I don't know why would she just tried to run. Yeah, you got her handcuffed or whatever, but if you just leave her there by herself, she's gonna try to escape again. You know what I'm saying? So you might as well put her in the car. When he said that, don't move, she already tried to. What are you talking about? Like, so you're gonna give her another chance to escape? Yeah, no. Smarten up, put her in the back seat, then go attend to your partner.
Can you stop grabbing me like that?
What's in your pocket? Any needles?
Sure.
Sit down.
I am. I'm going to give it to you. Go back. Go back. Stay right there. I will tase you if you do anything else. You understand that? In custody right now. So look for that female subject. Paul, need help getting this guy out here. Come on. Ready? The shit in the packages.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 3.
You good?
Hold it for a second. Yeah, I'm just getting my
Yeah, you're good.
look into it. Right there, too.
Okay. Okay.
That came out from the closet.
Okay.
I'm missing one more.
You're good. Take your
Oh,
time.
shit there.
Together?
Yeah. You can get away, bro. Right? Yeah, just two. Central for me. I mean, supervisor over here, too.
It's up for 90s and run. 8 or 9, 5, baby. 8 or 9, 5, baby. Still at large.
Just update 10-4. Both subjects in custody.
Yeah, I got it.
Picket slow down.
We're good. Everybody else please slow down. We're 10-4 now.
She's in that car. Lean against the car.
What's this key for?
That's my key for my bike. Is this your ID in here?
No, my ID's in my bag. Okay.
Hey, I got a female in this car in the back seat. Go keep an eye on her.
She got the black hoodie on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, she's cuffed, but just make sure she's not doing anything. No, I just threw her in.
I don't know.
But you mean, own up to it, you know what I mean? You did what you did, right?
I'm just following along, man.
This could be petty, bro. I could give you a ticket and get out of here, you know what I'm saying? What y'all were doing, trying to do, that's fine. That's all good.
That's the thing, bro.
But when you start fighting,
I'm
you try to run away?
Look, I'm right here. She's like, oh, come my house.
You're here now.
She's like, right. I'm like,
It's like, grabbed your.
I know.
If I did, he would have left,
I
right?
was sticking my receipt back in my pocket. Yeah, just check your pocket.
Yeah, yeah.
You took all this out of his pocket right now?
You ain't gonna lock me up.
We'll talk about that when we get to the station. All right? You come with us right now.
Copy.
Where's your bike at?
It was in her car.
Where's your car at? Huh?
It's the white Toyota Prius.
Can you see if there's a Prius around here? Something?
Where'd you guys park?
Direction. I'm going to population to what we all want. That's how we didn't even take nothing.
Man, this remind me of a time where I got my Amazon packages stolen. Facts. You know, you get the little message or you get the little when Amazon come, they send a picture, you know what I mean? Sometimes, if it's a good person, they'll send a picture and let you know where they left it or whatever the case may be. And they left it in a unsecured area. There's a particular area where you're supposed to leave the packages, but they left it in another spot. So anyway, somebody was able to get access, and they took the packages and ran off. So the building like manager or whatever, the manager of this building or whatever, ended up catching them and chased after him. Him and the maintenance guy chased after him for a block and got all of our packages back. It wasn't only my package, it was like 3 or 4 packages or whatever from different people or whatever in the building. And yeah, that was crazy. Like that was crazy. Cause I just got the message. I see it on the phone. I'm starting to walk down and I'm like, where the heck is my package? I'm like, where's my package? And then the building manager told me the whole story and everything. I'm like, dang, that's crazy.
Any reason why?
I just didn't want to even tell you.
You ever done this before? Let's make sure he's okay. I'm just rolling the window a little bit.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Are you lying by your name or date of birth?
No.
And give you one opportunity if you are.
I'm not lying.
You're going to get charged with obstruction.
I'm
You
not
understand
lying.
that?
Yeah, I'm not lying.
Hey everyone, it's Trent, prior deputy sheriff, patrol sergeant, and canine handler. This one was pretty painful to watch. This is the type of incident where you would take this body cam footage and you would show it to everybody that you work with.
Oh, I see what they doing. I see what they doing. They doing the Midwest safety method. Find the old cop, whatever, to give a to give their thoughts and stuff like that or whatever. Okay, I see it. I see it. I see it. Let's see, man. Let's get to the charges though. This type of part of the video I don't like to really show because this is unique to their page. You know what I mean? So if you want to go check them out, the link is is in the bio. You know what I'm saying? Or it's in the description. Damn, can I talk today? Can I talk? Damn. The original video link is in the bio if you want to go hear his opinion. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Golly, I can't even talk today. Let's get to the charges, man. Let's see what they was actually charged with.
That belonged to other people, along with a crowbar. He was charged with burglary, possession of burglary tools, criminal damage to property, obstructing identification, resisting arrest, 3 counts of unlawful possession of ID cards, and 2 counts of unlawful possession of debit cards. The woman was charged with 1 count of burglary.
Dang, he got hit with all them charges. Boy, that boy had cards, debit cards, credit card. That boy had everything on him. Crowbars, yeah, man. Yo, honestly, this video right here, I think the cops did a good job. It's tough because when you only have one officer, most of the time officers is just one. And it kind of sucks, you know what I mean? On the officer's end of things, because if you got 2 people, that exact thing can happen. If that was a girl that was probably in better shape or whatever, or more smooth and swift about it, she would have probably got away, realistically. Like, because the one guy is splitting this way and the cop has to make a decision, either go after him or stay with the female. So he decided to go after the guy. But now that gives the female opportunity to escape. So that was a tough one. I'm gonna give them a 4. I think they did pretty good for everything that was going on. I definitely think they did a good job.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.